Good morning, No Middle School. It's Mr. Bulaclac on location for today's Words of Wisdom. There's this man named Luis Alvarez. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics. He and his son came up with a theory that dinosaurs became extinct when a giant meteor hit the Earth. Speaking of dinosaurs, have you ever caught yourself thinking that older people are real fossils? Like, too old and useless? Well, think again. Because older people can be a rich source of knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. There's this Chinese proverb, it goes something like this. To succeed, consult 3 old people. For example, if you're faced with a problem, like this practical problem with trying to buy a DVD player that's $100 marked down 30%, and then you have an employee discount of 20% off, you don't have a calculator, what do? And you're on the spot. Well, let's take this Chinese proverb and apply it. So my first candidate would be to consult my boy, Mr. Albert Einstein. But unfortunately, he doesn't exist anymore, and he passed away just a few years ago. So, move on to my second candidate, who is Mr. Santa. But because it's December, he's pretty busy right now, so I'm going to go ahead and put all my eggs in one basket and go to my third candidate here, Mr. Smith on 7 Navigators. This man is a genius. But because you have to consult 3 old people, my suggestion is to ask him the same question 3 different times and go with the best out of 3. Because honestly, the first 2 answers will be a little off because, let's face it guys, he's a little old. So, anyway, but he does have some wisdom because he taught me one valuable thing. He taught me that 1 + 1 equals 1. Now 6th graders, I know what you're thinking. 1 + 1 equals 2. Yeah, most of the time. But here's an example of when it doesn't. 1 $5 bill plus 1 $5 bill equals 1 $10 bill. Well, how about that? 1 + 1 equals 1. That just made my day when I found that out because I almost lost money on that deal. So, No Middle School with something to think about is Mr. Bulaclac reminding you, what? Who is that? Who let these kids on my computer? Security! Security! I can't believe this. Sorry. Well, maybe you still have a chance at a great day today. These kids are nuts. Anyway, so make it a great day or not. The choice is yours.